Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Guava fruit is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that are beneficial for our skin. This juice is very useful in weight loss, high blood pressure and for sugar patients. For weight loss, you can prepare this juice with water instead of milk. You can add ice cubes and water instead of chilled milk. Let us learn how to make simple and very healthy guava juice recipe. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ingredients: guava or Amrud 3, 2 glasses of chilled milk or water, black salt 2 pinch, 3 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Wash thoroughly and peel the guava. Cut these guava in small pieces. Take all guava pieces in a blender, add black salt and 1 glass of chilled milk, then blend it well. Now add 1 more glass of chilled milk and blend it a little. Finally, add honey and blend it a little more. Now strain this juice in other vessel with the help of strainer. Our yummy and very healthy guava juice is ready to drink. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.